Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Click on to long-range weather forecast discussion for January 5th to 19th. The overall pattern will remain mild from the Mississippi Valley to the Mid-Atlantic and Southeast. And if you look at the teleconnection, the PNA is negative, and meaning that the upper trough will be in the Rockies and a ridge off the southeast coast. The NAO is positive with not much in the way of blocking as heights remain below normal across the high latitudes, and more progressive pattern. And the EPO is mainly positive but turns towards negative is possible late in the 11 to 15 day period. Also, the NAO is forecast to go. Let me see if I have it. Nope. But I was looking at that. The AO is forecast to go -2, but I think it'd be more near neutral. Okay, we're going to look at the pattern for January 5th to the 9th, and we have a ridge over the Eastern Pacific, and we have an upper low near Greenland with below normal heights across the Arctic. Now we'll have a westerly progressive flow as forecast across the nation, and the weather will remain unsettled in the northwest. We're going to take a look at that here, as we have a series of Pacific systems moving into the northwest, and that'll affect areas of the northern Rockies as well. Snow is forecast across the Great Lakes with the potential of heavy rain across the Tennessee Valley, and we'll look at that by Wednesday. This is GFS here. Okay, we're going to look at the pattern now for January 10th to the 14th. Let me go back to the maps. 10th to the 14th, and the flow remains unchanged. Ridge over the Eastern Pacific, trough in the west, and above normal heights in the east. Heights remain below normal across the high latitudes. So model's a good ingredient with this. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for this region here, and I'm forecasting anomalies about 6 to 12 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures are forecast here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal. For precipitation, forecasting above normal precipitation for a majority of the nation, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Looking at the period for January 15th to the 19th. Little overall change is expected. Strong ridge remains over the eastern or northeastern Pacific. A trough is in the west central states with the ridge over the western Atlantic with above normal heights in the east, and heights remain below normal across Canada and the high latitudes. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting little change in the temperature anomalies, and for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here and for much of this area here, and I'm calling for the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Then we have below normal precipitation for the southern Rockies, and given a low chance of 35% of occurrence. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for January 5th to 19th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.